Okay, Cisco router, Linux container, uh, the Linux server. Okay, the connections or select tool, add interfaces 01 and 02. Okay, and connect 01 to Linux container and 02 to Linux server. Okay, build initial configurations. No, no. Launch simulation. Okay, all in green. Configure the router. Console ports. Enter. Enable Cisco. Configure terminal. Okay. Gigabit 01. IP address. According the subnet, I will use the first IP. No, shut down. Now gigabit 02. The IP address according the subnet, I will use the first one. No, shut down. This is enough for the router. Okay. Now configure the Linux container. SSH management port. Yes. Cisco. Verify ifconfig. Verify interfaces. Okay. I want to configure Ethernet 1. Okay. According this subnet, sudo ifconfig Ethernet 1 and set the IP address number 10 Cisco. Verify and success. Okay, for example, use sudo ifconfig Ethernet 1 netmask. Okay, and you can set the netmask. Okay, verify mask, and the broadcast is automatically generated based on the IP address and the subnet mask. Ping to gigabit 01 on the router. Okay, ping success. Control C. Okay, now configure the server. Okay, Ethernet over the WebSocket. Enter. Cisco. Cisco. Okay, verify interfaces. ifconfig. Okay, I want to configure Ethernet 1 IP and subnet mask. Sudo ifconfig Ethernet 1 IP address according the subnet Cisco and the net mask enter. Click verify ifconfig. Okay, IP and mask pick the router interface. Success. Control C. Okay, now to try to ping from Linux container to the Linux server. Okay, Linux container tab. Try to ping the server. Okay, the ping will fail. Destination host unreachable. Control C. This ping fails because you need to configure the default gateway on the Linux container and also configure the default gateway on the Linux server. Verify the default gateway on the Linux container IP route default via this IP. Okay, and remove this and add the new default gateway. Sudo IP route delete default via this IP. Enter. Verify IP route. Okay, now default gateway and add sudo IP route add default via and use the default gateway for the subnet. Verify IP route. This is using the Ethernet one, the default gateway. Okay, the same process on the server. IP route. Remove this. Verify. Okay, now the default gateway and add the new default gateway sudo IP route add default via and set the default gateway. Verify. Okay, now try the ping again from Linux container to Linux server and is success. Control C. Okay, for example, you can disable the Ethernet one on the server. Okay, sudo IP link Ethernet one down. Okay. Okay, sorry, is sudo IP link set Ethernet one down. Enter. Okay, try to ping from Linux container to Linux server. Okay, ping will fail. Control C. 7 packets transmitted, 0 received. Okay. Okay, re-establish using the up command and try again. Control C. Okay, the ping fails again. Okay, IP route on the Linux server. Okay, when Ethernet 1 is turned off, the default gateway disappears. Okay, you need to re-establish the default gateway. Okay, try the ping again and success. Now configure IPv6 on the router. Enable Cisco, configure terminal, IPv6 unicast routing, configure gigabit 01 IPv6 address, this for example. Link local, okay, IPv6 address, okay, now shut down gigabit 02, the same link local address, no shutdown. Okay, verify on Linux container ifconfig. Look at this. This is the link local for Linux container, but this is the global IPv6 address automatically generated. Review the Linux server ifconfig. Global IPv6 address automatically generated. Copy this and ping using IPv6 from Linux container to the Linux server. Ping and paste the IP address of the Linux server. Okay, this pings works with IPv4, so that's why Linux says unknown host and just ping 6. Success. It's not necessary to configure the default IPv6 default gateway on Linux container and on the Linux server because the default gateway is automatically configured, and you can verify the default IPv6 gateway using the IP option 6 root. And is this default via the link local of the router using Ethernet 1 and the metric. Go to server, IP option 6 root. Default via link local on the router using Ethernet 1. Thank you very much.